So Apple have leaked images of what it claims are Apple's upcoming iPhones strategically 2 weeks before the company is scheduled to officially unveil the devices. Apple's news site 9to5Mac published a photograph of the device a couple of days ago. It's expected to be called the iPhone XS, and it's claiming it's the real deal. This comes after Apple shares hit a record high, more than $228, ahead of its expected launch, because it's that time of the year again for Apple to launch its smartphone in California on September the 12th. So with this leak, this is kind of a strategic thing that Apple do kind of every year. 9to5Mac specialized Apple site, I suppose, in fairness to them, but they do leak some good stuff. So you can see the pictures here of the new Apple phone. People will be going mad for this kind of thing, and this is building up market interest, market share, and that's exactly what Apple are good at. So the September event, Apple are expected to announce the introduction of 3 new phones, and just look at the new one here. It's a 5.8 inch and a 6.5 inch OLED iPhone and the iPhone XS. They're saying that the iPhone XS will come in a new gold color option that hasn't previously been offered on this design. Apple leaked this, their own gold version of this, on the iPhone X through the FCC, but it's not been available to purchase yet. But as I say, it will be building up some market interest, and once this thing goes live and goes for sale, people will snap it up, because Apple have a fanatical following when it comes to these phones. The website also claimed that Apple is expected to unveil the new Apple Watch Series 4 at the same event in California, and more details are still to be released on that. On the current official Apple site, there's nothing about this so far. As I said, this is a leak via that Apple website. This kind of comes on the back of months of Apple dropping hints about the new iPhone. And now the company obviously has accidentally misplaced an official image for everyone to see. So all is yet to be revealed on this, but as I say, stay tuned and we will report more as we get it. Do you have an Apple iPhone? Do you like to use iPhones? Do you like to use Apples? Are they overpriced for what they deliver? Has the market caught up or even passed them out? Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and talk to you again real soon. Take care.